Hello everyone, my name is Dustin Kilian and I am the main grunt at Kilian's Kreations. Today is a product reveal. It's something we've been working on for a little time now. We've been testing a few aspects and we got things kind of set up so we can start making these right away. As soon as you see this video, they are available. So we do have our website set up. It's KiliansCreations.com, Kreations with a K and Kilians with one L. So here's our product, the Illuma Booth. It's backed by stainless steel clamps, high temp heat sleeve. The range is rated from -70 degrees to 350 degrees. Also, they're reinforced. The plate is billet aluminum, and then we have welded aluminum pipe that is the similar diameter to the stock intake boot. So your stock O-ring from the old intake boot will come off the top and fit into our grooves with a little grease that will help seal it. There is a right and wrong way to put it. Flat bottom goes down. Also, you will reuse the clamps, the stock clamps that come off this intake boot, and you will put them on top of our provided stainless steel clamps. If anyone has a desire to have these powder coated, we have that available. The price is going to be $250, and when you order from our website, it will tack on shipping to you and the tax. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of questions of why we're doing this. Why are we doing this? Because I spent so many times answering questions to customers about what are we going to do? What are we going to do when all of the OEM parts are gone? When the last brand new part is sold and the last used part is gone, this is what we'll have. This is the aftermarket support to keep Victory alive a lot longer. I'm just going to do a quick rundown of how this part's going to work. When it sits on the engine, it's going to sit on top of the intake ports of the cylinder heads. So when you take your stock O-ring, remember there is a flat side, it's going to sit in the billet piece groove that we had machined in, like so. Also, a little grease will help seal everything. You're going to take your throttle body, and then it's going to sit on top, just like the stock boot. Alright, so the throttle body will go on top of the intake boot. Like so. And then for your steel frames, your intake will come on top here. For the Visions and the Cross Countries, they'll have intake plenums like this up in the aluminum frame that will sit on top. Like so. And that's how everything will screw together. Alright, what about performance? That's what everybody's going to ask. How is this going to affect my bike? Alright, so we have this set up to be a stock OEM replacement, like the same aspects and everything. We could get it as close as we could machine-wise. So we have intakes sent out to Kevin X at Southern Motorworks and Ryland Voss over at the Vic Shop. We're waiting to hear back with their results. As soon as we hear back from their results, we will put it back. We will post it up on our website in this for sale, so you can see, oh, I've got cams and torque tubes and exhaust. So if I put this on, will I need a retune? Will it just be a stock replacement? That way we'll have everything answered, because we have pressure test every single intake to make sure that they don't leak, and then we have highly heat treated sleeves so they will not melt, and we have stainless steel clamps so they will not rust away on you. Also, we have suspended this intake with weight on it to make sure that it will not pull out with using a torque tube intake. So if anybody has any questions, please feel free to ask, feel free to email us, call us, comment on our video. We're here. We're going to stand back behind this. If something happens with these sleeves, please let us know. It won't be anything to send you some more sleeves. So we're going to stand back behind our product. Turbo guys, for you performance turbo guys, we're projecting that this is not going to suck in and cave from the intake pulses like the stock OEM boot will. You're not going to blow it apart. So all in all, this is going to be a better fit for everyone.